Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan Hanuman Survase. Today is 18 September 2021. Our today's topic is discuss about interview question on loops. So first question is, what are different types of loops? In loops there are three types of loops. Uh, First is for loop, second is while loop, and third is do while loop. In Java, while programming, sometimes there occurs a situation when we need to execute a block of code several number of times. In general, the statements executes in a sequential manner. The first statement in a function execute first, followed by second, and so on. In Java, this but this makes lengthy, difficult, and time consuming. So programming language provide various control constructs that allows for such complex execution statement. In Java, first type of loop is for loop. The for loop in Java is an entry control loop that allows a user to execute a block of code statement repeatedly with a fixed number of times on the basis of test condition or expressions. This is easy to understand. In Java loops, all its loop control elements are gathered at one place on the top of the loop within the round bracket, while in the loop construction of Java, the loop elements are scattered about the program. So it's all about for loop. Then in loop, second type is while loop. In while loop, the in while loop the while loop is an entry control loop. In a while loop, the loop body may contains a single, compound, and empty statement. The loop repeats while the test expression or test conditions evaluate to true. When the expression becomes false, then control passes to the line just after the end of the loop body code. In a while loop, a loop variable must be initialized before the loop begins, and the loop variable should be updated inside the while loop body. So it's all about while loop. Then third type of loops is do while loop. Do while loop is an exit control loop, which means a do while loop evaluates its test condition or expressions at the bottom of loop after executing the statement in the loop body. Need of do while loop in Java, the condition is evaluated before executing the loop body. The loop body never executes if the test expression evaluates to false for the first time itself. But in some situations we want the loop body to execute at least once, no matter what is the initial state of the test expression. In such cases, the do while loop is used. Then our second question is the what is the difference between while and do while loop. Then we discuss about the difference between while loop and do while loop. In Java, while loop, the condition is tested at the beginning of the loop, and if the condition is true, then only statement in that loop will be executed. So the while loop execute the code block only if the condition is true, and in do while loop, the condition is tested at the end of the loop. So the do while executes the statements in the code block at least once, even if the condition fails. Then our third question is, what are the looping constructs in Java? In Java, there are four control looping constructs in Java: for statement, while statement, do while statement, and for each statement